morning, good anytime you come across this video. It's me, Ijoro Dioma. Thanks for coming. If you love this video, please don't fail to share me out and invite your friend. Okay, guys. Today's topic is just about what I have in my hand. Ladies, we ladies, we mothers, we know what the meaning of this. Even though you are in Nigeria, you know the meaning of this. Okay, guys. We have some today in case if you see this thing is too shiny. Pardon me. We all know the meaning of this, but some of ladies don't use it. Even some men don't use it. If you don't have money to send to a man that is far to come to visit you, just because to come here you have to send money, the money that you are going to use to buy gift for your children. Ladies, it's belong we are very intelligent than those men. I know men will say, no, you guys are not intelligent. We try to bring our family together, but some of men, they try to separate themselves in what women are trying to put together. Okay? The money where the women they send come from now. There's a manager here. For them to bring you and your children together, they will put on for that money, send for you, may you take come. Brother, I want to ask you some question. No vessel. What you they do for the country or your city where you dey, where a woman will send you money, may you take come. What are you? If the place that you are, you are not receiving money over there, and that woman is the one who is going to send you money to come and visit them. I'm just talking about this December. Before, maybe you can you profit them before. This time around, this thing I want some women to go out there to buy something. Brother, if that lady, that your wife send you that money, no will see money to cook, no will see money to buy gift. These children, they are going to school. White people, let me bring white people into this matter. White people will surround their tree, gift. We get scarf for head. I be waiting they do us. White people and us, we know different though. We are humans, my people. A white child will say, my dad bought this for me. My mom bought this for me. Brother, sister, waiting you and your husband don't buy, put for down. Waiting this paper, waiting you know say it mean. Before you pack money, go give them for Nigeria. You never eat belle full here. Oh. You never buy things where your children go still say, yes, my mom bought this for me, my dad bought this for me. But you dey pack money, go give one man wey sit down for lakbawa or family things. Geko wa weka vun when before get the way neko wa evun ezozo. When you eat belle full, before you remember others, it's not greedy. You must, if you have child, you have children surround you. This Christmas of 18 is what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about the rest days of the year or January, February. I'm just talking about this Christmas. What will be your gift for your children? Instead of you will pack money, go give one man where he sit down. Make that man sit down for where they since. Buy something, buy gift, hide them. On the 24th, after the children don't sleep, bring them, come out. Those children, they are talking. They talk for school, then talk, then exchange words. Not be only how they talk. Some children talk, they talk well past house. They'll talk for school well. Some children, they talk well for school, past house. Everything where they happen for house, they will narrate some, my people. Go and buy some of these things and buy gift. There is a gift 10 euro, 20 euro. Buy all those things. Sending money to other all those men, boyfriend or your baby papa or your husband, on Christmas Day. It does not make sense, my people. If that mama know the work for where he dey, may he come out there. Instead of now you will go, now you dey here, now you will they pay house rent for them for where he dey. Now you will they send money where he take they come. I make bo or mass no fivu. You no get pocket. It better pass the one way he get hole. Ladies, I'm not talking about the rest day. Please, mama, EJ, sister, you go in one send the area, get a man in the air. That money you want send, go give that man. Go use and feed if you not come in there. If you are not with your wife, I'm not against that. But for your wife to send you money or buy tickets without that woman didn't buy tickets, you will come. May you come visit your wife and your kids is bad. I don't want to talk much, but sister, while you're try to wake up sometime. Know what is good for you. The money you want to send home or to your baby papa, use it to buy gifts for your children. They will thank you more than that man who you want to send money may take on. If that man you want to send money, go give man now. That man not think of buying gifts for the children. Wake up. Thank you, brother. I'm not here to insult you, but okay, bye bye. Kiss.